Hey guys, so in today's video I am going to tell you about Polygon shape tool in CorelDRAW. So let's get started. So there are four more tools in Polygon tool which are as follows: star tool, complex star tool, graph paper tool and spiral tool. So with the help of Polygon tool you can create simple polygons like this, and with the help of this you can change the points or sides according to you or according to the need. And with the help of star tool you can create simple star, and with the help of this you can change the points or sides of the star as much as you want, like this. And with the help of this you can change the sharpness of the corners like this. So with the help of complex star tool you can create complex stars, and with the help of this you can change the points or sides of the star like this. And with the help of this again you can adjust the sharpness of the star like this. So now with the help of graph paper tool you can create simple graphs, and with the help of this you can change the numbers of rows and columns in the graph paper like this. So with the help of this you can create simple graphs, and now with the help of a spiral tool you can create simple spirals, and with the help of this you can set the revolutions of the spirals as you can see. And these two are the types of spirals. The first one is of this type and the second one is of this type. So with the help of this you can change the spiral expansion factor according to the need like this. So guys, for today's video that's it. If you guys like the video, please do leave your like, comment, share and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press that bell icon. Thank you.